And here we are in Angeles City.
We are now moving to
Leaving Philly's bar, moving towards Scoreboards, because apparently there's a Christmas party there, so we will see what that looks like. They took down the walking street sign today. What the fuck is happening? Is the street becoming Red Street? Is it becoming the Koreatown? What the fuck? No more walking street, guys. It's just walking now. So let's just go to Scoreboards, to the Christmas party. Let's see what's happening there. So this is the new renovated walking street. About 4 p.m. now. I think it's Tuesday. Atlantis Club. Red Horses. Girlitos.
I don't know. But the Fox News declared Pennsylvania. I was jumping in the ring. My daughter said, what happened to you? This is not even your country. I said, no, I left now.
Dollhouse. Carabar with lots of girlitos. Say hello. They hide. We have Lofty. Geckos, one of my nicest bars. We have Lollipop, La Bamba, and the Masquerades. The Masquerades is expanding, as you can see. They're building the rooftop bar, something like that. On the other side, the Lucifer Club. But yeah, as you can see, during the day, pretty much dead. There's the Kokomo's bar. And behind there, Witch. So yeah, basically the walking street.
There's another place here, Western Fields.
One of my subscribers, Morty, with him, Mr. Honey Bunny.
Yeah. All right.
Morty's girlfriend.
Yeah.
And of course, Chris hiding. Tsigan Chris. The Polish guy. So, look. Essitos. Yeah, let's go down the street and let's go to the Scoreboards. Fuck. My brain not working completely, but it's okay. It's okay. Mr. Kim.
He takes a mask with you.
Yes. We have street food. I don't know what he's selling, but I think he had lumpias. Lumpias? No. No more.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Okay.
This is an unfinished building. They say it was owned by some 7-Eleven.
There you go. Tequila Reef. One of my subscribers wanted to see Tequila Reef very much. I don't know why, but there it is.
Tequila Reef was not open in the
Mr. Bukoman, 10 pesos for the water. Mr. Rickshaw Man, aka the King. Ooh, Doritos. Party one bar.
Okay, this is party one bar.
You like that one, huh?
Yeah, this
Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which girl do you like, Murthy?
Yeah. This is Party One Bar. Please come and visit these girls. Okay, I want to hide the face. Too late. Okay, bye bye. Where's your boss? The boss is knocked out.
Let's go see what this girl is getting, huh? Oh, fish balls. Ooh, chicken. Chicken. More chicken. Chicken feet. I see the chicken feet there. And chicken more. I don't know what is brink. But we have a nice chicken here as well. Okay. Kiss the can. Oh no. Not Big Joe's hand.
Second floor is my room. We meet again.
Yeah, we can cry for each other's bath.
All right.
All right, take care, brother.
All right.
Laundry shop.
Yeah.
Wellness massage. Another massage. Oh, this is like the second massage street. Let's ask the laditos. How much is the massage here? 400. Macano. They don't like to be on camera, so we do not bother them. That one over there is 300, so just for your reference.
I don't see the massage.
400, that one 300. Same. Huh? It's like a small caranderia, guys. If you're looking for some genuine Filipino food, cheap prices. The street cat, actual cat. Okay. And yeah, on our way towards Scorbert's Hotel. Secret Garden. Mr. Honey Bunny. Mr. Chris. Chris is the slowest one. He's slower than me.
Yeah, because I'm sweat look. Alcohol come outside, not good business here.
So yeah, Scorbert's Hotel, Duke's Restaurant. Okay. Ooh, we have a chiquita on the track. Chiquita. There they go. So yeah, that's the cheapest massage there, 300, yeah. They will massage you in that garage there, probably. But yeah, welcome to Angeles City, the Philippines. And this is the Scorbert's Hotel here on the left, where we are going for the Christmas party. Look, she's hiding. Hide, madame.
Yeah, they always do.
She hide. They're poopy shy, yes. Exactly, honey bunny. Anyway, if you want to buy this house, you can call that number. Just across the Scorbert's Hotel. Oh my god. Can I make it here? I don't know. Can I? I can. Anyway. Urgent. Hiring waitress. Honey bunny. You need a job. You need a job. You should apply.
I do need a job too.
She does need a job. I know you need. How much is the wage? 300 per day?
500.
500 per day.
500 pesos
Yeah, per day.
per day.
Yeah. Do you take a man or no? Or he has to make a boob job?
Maybe.
Okay, so we're at Scorbert's Hotel.
Last time, what way you want to say? Oh, we go first floor.
doesn't matter wherever they take us. So Scorebirds Hotel year-end party, that's happening today. And yeah, maybe in the next video you'll see that. If not, sorry guys, that was it. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys. Say bye-bye, honey bunny. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.